Hi, welcome back to the channel. So, I've been back on eBay again. Right, on eBay, looking, was looking for the press, and because I need to do the back bushes on the Vectra, so looking through eBay, and we've got a 12-ton hydraulic pressing work, and it's not the best. So I was gonna buy one, and I used it for a quick job, and I wasn't impressed with it at all. So I thought to myself, right, I'm gonna have a look on eBay, do a search, see what I can find, see if there's anything local, and I come across this. No maker's name on it, nothing like that. Might even be possible a homemade one, but it was listed as a 10-ton one, and I was like, sound, that'll do me. The only problem is it didn't come with the hydraulic pump which goes on the side. So it come with the ram on the top, happy days, you know, sound, but it didn't come with the ram, the actual hand pump or mechanical pump. I think it was a hand pump because of the size of the bracket. So my plan is possibly stick on another hand pump, job done, or maybe a electric pump. Not sure which way to go with it yet. It'll be whatever comes up, probably the cheapest. So yeah, but because I bought this, which was extremely cheap, I got there and the fellow was like, I've got a drill press as well. So I was like, right, okay. He goes, are you interested in that? So I was like, alright, have a look, see what happens. So come on with me. Got this extremely cheap as well. Yeah, say what, 5.5 foot tall, and yeah, it all works and it's sound. So I just thought I'd do a quick video, because by now you should all know I love eBay, love bargains. So yeah, this works. You know, so it's all that's happy days. It's come with a chuck key as well on the side, so I've got the chuck key for it. What I do, starts calling. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll bring you a bit closer, show you what I got. Just thought I'd do a quick video, might even just pop it up in midweek. Yeah, just to say a quick video of what I've got. So yeah, I'm not sure what to do yet, whether to buy another hand pump for this, or whether to go down the route of possibly putting electric pump on it. I do have a 3-horse 3-phase motor which I could put on this, because I do have the transformer for the lathe to run it on 3-phase. So yeah, could have a 3-phase ram, 3-phase motor with a pump, and go down that route, but unsure yet what to do, whichever comes cheap, because I'd need to buy obviously the pump plus a controller for up and down. So yeah, work out what's the price on either one. So yeah, bring it close up and quick look at it. So quick midweek video. So I do love eBay. So there's a drill press. it's only a cheap make one, but it's better than my small tiny one. Yeah, ideally I probably wouldn't need this because I do have my milling machine, but I suppose it's always handy to have both. And then I've got, say there's the mount. So I'm unsure whether to put one back on it, hand pump, or go down the mechanical route. It's got electric motor route, but yeah, say the lad said it was 10 ton, so I'll say it's got that there for the pipe, but we can, you know, fittings and the problem on that. So yeah, you know, it's all happy days. So I need to have a sort out. I do have a project in the corner by the door, which is gonna be probably a winter project for next year. So, and I suppose you've probably seen bits of it in the background, but so yeah, so there's my press, hydraulic press. Unsure on whether to mechanical pump or electric pump. I'll get back on eBay, have a look to see what I can find, and then my drill press, which is happy days. So I need to have a clear out, I think, over the next few weeks or months. So yeah, I think I need to clear out in the next few weeks or months, just to declutter the place, because I think I'm pretty much there where I need to be tool wise, like big tools. So yeah, definitely need to have a clean out. Need to move. I did have my telly there, so that's been moved. So at the minute it's on the bench, but I want to get out the back wall. So gotta have my telly, gotta have my YouTube, my music. So yeah, so eBay bargains. I'm not going to say how much they were, but they were extremely cheap. And I say thanks to Russ. He went home, he picked them up with me, so I couldn't have got them in the back of the Range Rover, and I think my wife would have killed me. So yeah, big thanks to him in the van. So yeah, quick video on some new tools, or tooling, or whatever you want to call them. So yeah, happy days. Keep looking on eBay. So, like what I've done, like, subscribe, share, drop your thoughts and comments down below on whether to go for a hand pump or to go for electric pump, or maybe even a pump off a car lift, something like that. So I do have a 3-phase motor, so I can make something there, bolt something to the wall, you know, brackets, bolt it to the floor. So yeah, so again, if you like what I've done on eBay, like, subscribe, share, drop your thoughts and comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.